In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to add some text. I'm going to go and click on this text tool over here on the left, and I'm going to click on my canvas. Now I'm just going to leave this default text as it is over here and make it a bit bigger so we can see better. Now whenever you have this text box selected, you could either double click on it like that to actually select everything, or just highlight over it and then click on the color down here bottom left, and you can now set a new color. So as you can see, if I do it like this, it's actually changing the color of my text. Now if you at any point want to go out of here, out of this editor, and you have something different selected, like for example not the correct layer, so if I click on done dump top right, as you can see I can select different layers, and now to actually go back and change the color I have to select a layer and it's going to get selected. Make sure you have this text tool selected over here, otherwise it's not going to allow you to do that. And then you can just basically have it like highlighted over this like that, and you can change the color from here yet again. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.